Hello champions, how are you all? So we are coming up with the most awaited batch, that is our month and the question answer practice and the writing batch for May 26 and onwards examination. Now what are the features of this particular batch? So we are going to do the writing practice in the batch, solving the whole question bank, okay, and within it 75 to 80 hours of the content, which include the test series, the chapter wise as well, and the full syllabus test as well, covers all the ICA illustrations, all the ICA TYKs, past paper, RTP, and MTPs. Everything is covered in this particular batch. By this particular batch, if you are weak in the writing practice, or you know the concept but you do not know how to write the answers, okay, how to approach the questions, then this particular batch is just made for you. Now, this particular batch, by keeping in mind the needs of the South India students, we have also launched this particular batch in the full English language as well. So you can also opt it for the English. The full English option is also available in the batch. You can opt it from there. Okay. You can choose the validity based on your exam needs, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months till the January 2027 exams. This batch is totally applicable. Now you can also choose the views, 1.5 views or the 2 views, and the hard copy of the books, whether you want to opt for or not. The prices will vary accordingly. Now, what you have to pay, sir? 1700, but you do not need to pay this particular price as well. You have to pay 1445, that is 1445 rupees, by using the coupon code result 15 till 7th of March 2026. Okay, from the start of 8th of March 2026, the coupon code, the result 15, is going to be over, and the prices will increase to 1700. Okay, the basic price is what 1700 is. Now you have to keep in mind what is important for the month and batch, and what if you are using the batch for the first time or studying the DT for the first time. So you have to consider the EOB instead of the month and batch. So the features of this month and batch is including the tests and everything. But listen to me very carefully. What I am trying to say is this particular batch has a certain duration, okay, 75 to 80 hours. But not every lecture will be of the same length. Some lecture will be of 1 hour only, and some lectures could be at a max of 2.5 hours. Okay, these kind of lectures will be uploaded daily from the 8th of March 2026. Okay, because of the length of the subject, because of the length of the chapter or the content, we have modified the length of the lectures as well. Okay, but at max there would be a 2.5 hours of the lecture. Okay, see, if you have already enrolled for our EOB batch, that is the exemption batch, please do not enroll for the month and batch. Why? Because in the EOB batch, if you have enrolled it, you have seen that we have recorded the question answers batch separately. We have recorded the lectures for the question answers separately. Those separate lectures of the question and answer will be given in the month and batch itself. Okay, where we have solved each and every question and answer in detail now. So that will be given in the month and batch. So if you have already our EOB batch, so there is no need to purchase the month and batch. Month and batch is for those students who need the writing practice and doesn't have the EOB batch of us. If they have it, please do not enroll for the month and batch. This is the caveat. Okay, daily the one lecture will be available to you, and it includes the chapter wise and the full syllabus test as well. So you can enroll for that too. Okay, now most importantly, if the students, please listen to it very carefully. What are the FAQs? Please read it very well. Okay, the doubt solving is available from our WhatsApp channel and our Telegram channel. Okay, everything is available. The doubt solving will be available there. And please watch, if you have enrolled for the batch, on the 8th of March in the evening, the lectures will start uploading. Okay, the one lecture daily will be uploaded. And see, on the 8th of March, there will be a lecture 00. Okay, the first lecture will be the lecture 00, the introductory lecture. Please kindly watch that particular lecture for sure. Before asking any question, any query regarding the batch, please watch that particular lecture, because all your doubts, how the batch approaches, okay, everything, how the notes should be, should you get, and everything will be available and dealt with in the lecture 00. The board notes or the question bank, if you have opted for the soft copy, how to get the question bank soft copy, everything is entertained in the lecture 00. Everything is answered there. So first of all, please and please go and watch the lecture number 00 on the 8th of March when it will come. Okay, now the batches will be starting day after tomorrow, that is 8th March. So everything will be there in the lecture, in the application itself. Once you order the batch, there will be a mail, automated mail. Within a 2 to 5 minutes you will get a mail where the serial key of the classes and the software link will already be available to you. Okay, download the software, enter the serial key, activate your course by giving the some basic details, and after giving all those things, there will be a download section where you can find the lectures. Okay, so you do not need to get any kind of the drive link. Okay, and there is no need of any kind of the drive link. Every lecture is uploaded in your application itself. Just open that lecture, download the lectures, and watch the lectures. This is all you have to do. Now see, if someone is opting for the soft copy option, if they have opted for the soft copy option, so there is many queries that students are asking on the WhatsApp. Sir, we have opted for the soft copy, but we got a AWB number of the tracking number. What has been dispatched? Okay, so there is a welcome kit from our side, a small gift from the VVC for our enrolled students. The welcome kit is to be dispatched to your address, whatever the address you are giving. So please giving the correct address properly. Okay, please give the correct address so that the welcome kit should reach to you properly. Okay, the welcome kit includes the copy, highlighter, pen, sticky notes, planner, the daily, the weekly planners will be there. So everything, there is some things which is available in the welcome kit will be delivered to your home so that you can make your preparation uh, to a next level. You can take to your preparation to the next level and become the CA with exemption in the May 2026 or the upcoming attempt. Okay, so this is all for the video. The link to enroll for our month and batch is given in the description box. You can directly go into the description box or enroll for the subject. Okay, or if you want to directly go to our website, so website is www.vaibhavbansalclasses.com. This is the website. This is written www.vaibhavbansalclasses.com. You can go there, you can find all our courses listed there, or you can book the prices on the courses till 7th of March, like for tomorrow, till tomorrow night, the midnight, there will be an option to avail the result 15% off on our products, on our courses. Okay, either it's a month and batch or the EOB batch, the coupon is available for you. Okay, so all the very best. We will meet on the 8th of March and will take our DT preparation to the next level. We are here to prepare for the exemption. We will be preparing for exemption in such a manner that exemption should be ours in the upcoming attempt. So if you have any kind of the fear of direct taxation regarding the problem solving or something else, this particular batch is just for you. There is no conceptual explanation, only the month and the question answer batch is this. But if you want an explanation of the concepts in the most detailed manner, then there is a batch for you, that is our exam oriented batch. It is also available on our website. You can enroll it from there as well. So all the very best. We'll be meeting on the 8th of March evening, where we will be giving you the first lecture, including the lecture 00. Okay, so you can watch the lecture 00 first and then move on to the first lecture, and so on. We will be progressing to our course. So all the very best. We will be meeting on 8th March. And if you have any query, you can directly contact us on 888-129-1298, or DT with CA Vaibhav Bansal is our Telegram channel, or you can also comment down in the video there. Okay, we will be replying you as soon as possible. So all the very best. We will be meeting on the day after tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.